Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny again, and today we're going back to my old G classic, which is p.volve. p.volve is a brand that I have reviewed about 3 years ago, and then I did a re-update review maybe 2 years ago, a year ago, but since then p.volve brand has been involved and asked me to re-review their products as well as their workouts. So in this video I am sharing all my workouts, my initial thoughts on the new and improved p.volve workout. So if you're ready to see me work out, let's jump right in. So as soon as I open the website, after I enrolled, it tells me to sign up, and when I sign up, I'm just gonna put in that I have an essential kit, but you could put in other equipments that you may have of this kit, and let's press done. Okay, perfect. So it's building my plan for a while. So once that gets uploaded, we'll move on to the next section. Okay, great. So when you first get this page, mine says, "This is for you, Jenny," and then helps me to see that it's getting started. Oh, and then this is a review. This is my first workout for the day. I'm excited to try this workout. So why don't we just get started with this workout and you can see me getting tortured. Okay, so while you see me getting tortured, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about p.volve. p.volve is a fitness program that focuses on low impact functional movement designed to strengthen, tone, and sculpt body. The workout includes a mix of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. So today we are working on strength training with the p.ball, and as you can see, I've been in pain throughout the whole thing because it's really hard, you guys. So and as I was working out more in different directions and different angles, it was much harder than, even though it's a small movement exercise, it's very effective. Just like any functional movement workout, that is definitely designed to strengthen you. Don't let these little tools fool you just because it's light in weight, because they could be very painful. All right, so it's been a while, and obviously I haven't used p.volve products for a minute, and today was my first day, and I wanted to first go over the new upgraded essential equipment. So we have p.ball right here. The old one did not have this, so which was what I really love, is that it has these gripple, or what do you call these, grip marks, so that it holds everything into place, so it doesn't rub against my leggings or whatever I'm wearing. It will hold my legs in place under these straps, and these straps could be very painful, as I just went through. It's I feel like it's much easier access than last time, and with these upgraded versions of these majestical magical products, p.ball is really awesome. If you feel like it's too much for you to start with the kit, I highly recommend you start with the p.ball and the armband, p.band, okay? So p.band and p.ball, in my previous video, about 3 years ago, I posted on how to put it on, I believe, but pretty much you put your 4 fingers in here, and then you wrapped it around the wrist so that the logo shows, and then what you do is that this little strap, you put it over your finger like this. Now you're like, oh, it's a resistant band, it's one side. Okay, I work out a lot, okay? I box, I do pretty rigorous workouts, and I'm out of breath. That should tell you something. And it's been years I've used this, you know, and over the years that I have been using p.volve, I've been doing more rigorous workouts, and yet here I am still being challenged. So you never want to move like too close where it becomes like spaghetti. You want it tight as possible, but it shows that tightness really gravitate towards. Okay, so definitely feel the grips are much more, like, I would say it's like stronger for sure. And the band, it feels like it's different material. It's softer, yet it feels more stronger hold than I have ever experienced before. And I am very particular with material, but I feel like this is a very upgraded material if I'm not mistaken. It feels more like a scuba material if you could even see. Let's see, that was a, yeah, see, this material is very different than it used to be. So definitely an upgrade. It's not the same as the first generation of equipment. So for sure, if you're getting restarted or if you're checking out p.volve, I highly recommend that you upgrade your system, because also by now, if you bought it a long time ago, like as I have, then it probably needs an upgrade by now, because you probably wore it out. Even though I didn't use it every day, and I use it, I would say I use it about like pretty consistently enough to say I've been, you know, using it quite a bit, and I definitely feel different with these. So highly recommend it, and highly recommend it. So these are definitely essentials for you to get. Well, that sums up my updated p.volve workout video for you. I hope this helped you to get a little better idea of the new equipments that are available. If you're curious about my initial review, then I'll put the video down below as usual. Also, if you want to purchase their products or classes, I'll leave the link right down below so you can check it out. And thank you so much, p.volve, for sending me these upgraded workout equipments for me to try. I loved it. Thank you. I am convinced, and I'm definitely going to show you the updated video on this one after some workouts between travels in my life. I hope this video helped you to get a little better sense of the updated p.volve workout system. If this helped you, then please thumbs up for me and subscribe to my channel for more like fitness videos or app review videos as such. And oh, don't forget to write me comments or ask me questions down below. It was me, Jenny again, and talk soon. Bye.